Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, log into both your Hostinger and Shopify accounts. In Shopify, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then scroll down and select Domains. Here, you will see any domains linked to your Shopify account. If this is a new account, you will only have the default Shopify domain, which is fine. Next, click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your hosting or domain with www at the start, and then click Next to continue. Now, switch back to Hostinger and go to your domain management. Find the DNS or name servers section and open Manage DNS Records. Before adding new records, delete any existing A records and CNAME records to avoid conflicts. Now add two records. First, add a CNAME record with the name www and target it to shops.myshopify.com. Then add an A record with the name @ pointing to Shopify's IP address. Once both records are added, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. If set up correctly, Shopify will recognize your domain. Set this new domain as your primary domain in Shopify. Finally, test it by opening a new browser window and typing your domain. You should see your Shopify store load. So that's basically how you can connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.